Hi, I'm Sherwin. This is a tutorial for the dance called The Vibe, choreographed by Tim Johnson. It is 4 walls, 32 counts, intermediate level, and it does have a tag that you do with 3 restarts. So same tag, 3 times restarts, okay? We'll see about that when we finish the dance. Let's learn the choreography. All right, we're gonna walk forward on 1, 2. We do a little anchor step. Right, left, back. Left foot quarter turn side. Right foot half turn side. Take a weave backside front, and then you're going to sweep your right leg around. Left, right, left, and it sweeps. Okay? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left 5, right 6, 7, and 8. Taking that right foot over for the second count of 8. Take it over on 1, step a quarter back, 2, quarter chasse, 3, and 4. Step across, 5, step back a quarter, 6, you're now at 6 o'clock, and a coaster step, 7, and 8. Let's talk about that second count of 8. So it starts here, 3 o'clock. You've just done the weave. We're going to take a cross over, back, cha, 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 over, back, the right foot, coaster step. Let's do those 2 8s together. Here we go. We're walking 1, 2, a 3, and 4. Step left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sweep, 1, 2, side, 3, and 4. Take it, 5, back, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to travel forward with shuffles, but we're going to travel while turning to our left. So we're going to take it right, left, right. That's a half turn. Do another half. Left, right, left. And then we're taking a mambo with the right foot. Right, left, and as you step back on your right, let your left toes kind of fan out a little. Out, step back a little, fan, and a little fan. So all I'm doing is walking backwards and kind of twisting into it a little bit, and that lets my leg kind of fan out. It's for styling, but it also will make the next count of 8 transition a little bit easier. All right, so that count of 8 still facing this wall is a right shuffle turning to your left, right, left shuffle, finish the turn, that's 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. I'll put my back to you so you can see that. It goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 to leave your left foot ready to go. Okay? So, next count of 8, you just walk back, your left foot is free. That foot is going to go into a weave. So that helps when you do that little fan out with that heel. It's going to cut behind, back, side, front. Side rock cross, side rock cross. Follow your right shoulder, turn a quarter and step back. This is count 5. Finish with a half a turn to get you to 3 o'clock, 6. And this is a left mambo, forward and together as opposed to forward and back. So left, right, together. Okay? So that last count of 8, let's go over that again. We've just finished the turn, not the turn, but the walk back. Left foot is free, take a weave. Left, left, cross, quarter, half, mambo. Okay, so that looks like this with my back here. We're going to take it left, left, right, quarter, half, mambo. Yeah? Okay, did that work out for you? Okay. So, we're going to go from the top. Okay? That's the end, by the way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walking 1, 2, anchor, 3 and 4. Quarter, now weave, 7 and 8, sweep. Over and back, chasse side, cha, cha, cha. Over and back, coaster, triple front. Cha, 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 turn, cha, cha. Here's your mambo, right, walk it back, left foot under. Back, side, front, side rock, cross, back, front, mambo step. Okay? That's the whole thing except for the tag. The tag happens 3 times, and it actually happens right here after that first wall. And it's really simple. You're going to take your right foot and step forward, but you're going to cross it over. It's very stylized. The music is very stylized. You take the right leg and kind of cross over at an angle. 1, 2. Left foot does the same. 3, 4. On and 5, you're going to take your right foot forward, cross your left foot back. You're going to do right, left. So your left foot is free. Unwind to your left all the way and get weighted on your left. So let's count that. We're taking the right foot over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Get on your left foot. 8, so you can walk. 1, 2. So the tag, the 8-count tag, does not change your wall, all right? And it happens 3 times, and my brain is going blank. I think it happens. Let me double check. Let me just look, because I don't want to tell you wrong. It happens at wall 1, 3, and 6, all right? So we'll make sure we get that right. So we're going to go ahead and try this with some music, and let's go ahead and get started.
You got that thing on the floor.
This has a 32-count intro. Artist name is Mulaney. Song is The Vibe. Let's turn around. Here we go. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6. Walk it out. Here we go. This dance, as I said, it's an intermediate level dance, but I don't think it's that hard once you kind of get into the vibe. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so and spread the word about the channel, this video. Feel free to share, make any comments. I always appreciate that. I teach at the Borderline Saloon, Gura Hills, the Los Angeles area. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you guys on the dance floor.